You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Let me tell you a story, not just about law, but about purpose. Because in a world where many chase status or high-paying careers, there's a rare breed of professionals who enter the legal field with a deeper mission. One of them is Russell Nicolet. Russell didn't come from a legacy of lawyers, no family firm waiting with his name on the door, no network of influential relatives ready to make introductions. He started from scratch, just a first-generation law student with a passion for justice and a drive to help real people in real pain. Picture this. The legal profession can feel like an elite banquet. If you're not born into it, it often seems like the doors are locked from the inside. But Russell refused to stay on the outside looking in. He walked a tougher path, learning from the ground up. As a young attorney, he practically lived in the Washington County Law Library, studying every case he could get his hands on. But studying wasn't enough. He sought out mentors, argued real cases, and kept pushing forward. When he hit the limits of local resources, he didn't stop. He traveled across the country to train with some of the best personal injury lawyers in America. Florida, New York, California, you name it, he was there, sharpening his skills so he could bring justice back home. And what started as a one-man operation is now Nicolet Law, an expanding, multi-state law firm spanning Wisconsin, Minnesota, and North Dakota. But despite the scale, the mission has never changed. Russell built his practice on old-school values: service, responsibility, and integrity. For Russell, personal injury law isn't a business transaction. It's a calling. His clients are often in the toughest moments of their lives, hurt, vulnerable, and unsure where to turn. And his job is to not just represent them, but to fight for them, to challenge insurance companies, stand up to corporations, and make sure justice is served. He's earned the titles Super Lawyer, Top 100 Trial Lawyer, and his firm has secured major verdicts. But ask Russell what matters most, and he'll point to the individual victories: helping a mother get her life back after a devastating crash, or securing justice for someone who was told they didn't have a chance. And it doesn't stop there. Russell mentors young lawyers, the same way others once mentored him. Because he knows that helping others rise is just as important as winning in court. In a world full of noise and self-promotion, Russell Nicolet is proof that law can still be about people. If you've been hurt and feel the odds are stacked against you, know this: there's a team out there that treats your case not like a file, but like a cause worth fighting for. That's what Nicolet Law stands for. Justice isn't just a goal. For Russell Nicolet, it's the only option. Stay subscribed for more videos.